Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Well, today we are here with a beautiful box from Catharines.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, Catharines, a well-loved brand that we've been carrying for a few years, and quite a few years.
I was going to say.
I think it was one of our
decade.
first. Yeah.
It was since James Street for sure.
Yeah, definite for sure.
We were on James Street for 12 years.
I know. Thank you for watching our video, by the way, our couch talk.
Mm-hmm.
So many nice comments and so many, lovely. And there's more to come. So, today we are excited because it's spring, summer Catharines.
Yes. Linens.
Linens, all linens, right? Catharines is known for their natural fibers, and that's why we love them so much.
Yeah. And if you're traveling south, ladies, or you're going on a cruise, or you're just going to a nice warm destination, then
or you just want it in your closet already and look at it and dream of.
Yeah.
I do that.
Did you already switch your wardrobe over?
No, that's bad luck.
Do you have what do you have? How much, do you have a bin? What do you do? I'd like to know, because lady, sorry, I'm going to talk about myself here. I'm just thinking of myself, and we have an extra closet in our office that me and Ryan share, and I have maybe 6 summer dresses in there.
That's all.
And then I bring that in, but sometimes I just leave my closet. What do you do?
Well, I have a clothing rack in my studio where I work now, and I'm all over the place. So I have a bin with shirts that I fold.
Okay.
And tops, t-shirts and stuff.
Like a Tupperware bin?
Yeah.
Okay.
With the lid. And cleansed summer shirts, like the ones I iron, linen shirts. And then I have dresses and stuff I hang on the clothing rack in my studio.
Yeah. If I find the closet's getting a little, because you like to have some room, you don't want it
I know.
So then I'll put a few dresses in the backup closet.
Yeah, but I've always changed. You too?
I wear a lot of not the summer linen dresses for sure, ladies.
No,
but a lot
for
of my
sure.
stuff I wear through.
No, me too, but there's definitely high summer items, right?
True.
So you don't want to look at it in the dead of
I'd
winter.
like to know, ladies, if any of you are
that's true.
Adventurous to tell us or show us some great packing system or something cool.
Well,
I wish
know.
we could do a video on that, but we don't even do it, so we can't really.
No.
But if someone gave us ideas,
this is what I was going to say. There's a lot of you very good organizers amongst you. I know a few of you, and you will have it down pat.
Yeah.
Karen with her necklaces all in bags and coded creases or color coded.
Yeah.
I think she does. Yes, she has
in Helen.
Oh, and Helen, right? So
yeah, I'd love it.
Okay.
If you like, ladies, you can send us an email if you'd like to do it personally to info@lousjeandbean.ca.
If you don't want it.
Or you can post a picture.
Let the world know.
Yeah, it's cool. It's nice though. We should help each other out, right?
Exactly.
It's fun. But it would be amazing to do a video on that. But
I know.
You look lovely.
Thank you. I feel great. This is this lovely Chanel dress. I love this whole collection with the little Chanel jacket, which is almost gone, I think.
I know, ladies. We can reorder through the season. So if they do have a bit of a minimum, but I know we have reordered scarves, because those sold out so quickly. But oh look, we're both wearing lace scarves. I just went, I love this. Ladies, this is such a great.
Yeah, it's so adorable.
It's just classy.
Nice.
I love the black. We have other colors. I just went to the show and I just bought more colors.
Did you?
Yeah. Cannot wait. Some nice spring scarves coming. But these are just so classic and such a great price point.
Light, and just when you want something light.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, and the sweater too.
Oh, love.
So Lousje's got an extra small, I believe, and extra small. We did 3 sizes in this.
Right. Yeah, this is an extra small. And Anne-Marie Chagnon.
Yeah.
Bracelet, Anne-Marie, and necklace.
Beautiful, Mom. That looks fabulous.
Fabulous. And this is, you can adjust this length.
Beautiful.
This is the longest.
Cool.
Yeah. And then you can bring it up.
Yep.
Yeah.
And your ring.
Okay, and you?
You're always with your rings. I'm falling behind here. But I do have my juju on, ladies.
Yeah.
Oh, love these.
Love.
They're so easy.
So cute.
They're so cute.
So interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And of course, my tried and true. But look at my earrings.
Yeah.
Daring. That's so.
Boom.
I know, but I thought, how cool to pick up the green. And I have the army green on. We do have a few left in these.
Do we?
Yes. So
That's
great.
a great color, Tessa.
Yeah. And I have Ozayanku on, the dress that we've been living in. We're picking it up all the time because it's the perfect piece, especially now in the winter. So yeah, we're living in this, and even in the winter, like, so I have some little leggings on, and I put this over because it's picking up the army green. Mind you, we've found that whatever you pick up is working.
It adapts.
Yeah. So yeah, and my cutie earrings. Okay, so here we go.
The
Lousje's
lovelies
like,
are thinking, let's get on with it.
Okay.
So
we have.
I haven't seen this yet.
No?
No. So,
Well, you're going to be, it's interesting because I picked a very neutral palette. But we do have some color coming in the future.
no, I like it. I like neutral.
This is the spring drop, and then we have a summer drop. But okay, so first of all, these are the classic bias cut tanks that we absolutely love.
Nice color.
I know.
Cappuccino. Lovely.
So this is called coconut.
Oh, close.
Isn't that great? What a great, I love their words for their colors.
Yeah.
But I would size up in this, ladies. This is one that, but because it's cut on the bias, it's got such a great hang.
Yeah, it's got quite a bit of stretch this
but
way.
We always
still,
find
it fits small.
sizing up. Yeah, it fits nice and fitted. It's a great shell.
What color is this, Tessa?
Well, this is, it says beige. It says beige, but I think they have a fun name. I don't know why we named it beige. But also, look, Mom, remember? Like, this is so cute.
So cute. Cut on a little bit of a round, at the bottom.
Yeah.
Beautiful top stitching.
Beautiful.
Nice. What I love about cut loose too is the arm cutouts.
Yes.
They're done just right.
They're great. Yes, they are. We did a different pant this year. Ladies, you're going to love it. They have so many pants.
Oh, look at
this
that.
one's cute. So it's a little, like, not super wide, but you got a little and a crop. Love. Great thick band here. That's going to fit perfect.
Nice.
And some pockets. Great.
So this is the same color. This could be worn together.
This can be monochromatic, but then look, also these two together are fabulous.
Yes, for sure.
And then of course we did, because we're curating all these outfits for you ladies. So
look at this, Tessa.
How great is that together? I know. Yeah, watch the next few days. Lousje's going to do some great style ups with these pants.
This is classic,
Classic.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. So then we got one classic top, 3/4 sleeve.
Oh, nice.
For you lovelies. It's a little bit different than our boat neck. This is a high-low crop top.
Oh, I love it. Look.
It's got a little tiny.
Different.
I know.
Oh, love it.
Love
and
it
feels like linen.
So it's their classic linen cotton.
Their combo,
with the stripe.
Yeah.
So again, you can wear this with either color
pants.
So we're gonna have a lot of fun style.
Wow, look at this and this.
But great
look at
neutrals,
that.
Right?
Great.
And then we did this cutie patootie because we couldn't. I couldn't resist. I love this style.
Oh, that is adorable.
V-neck, great little cap sleeve.
Adorable.
And then it's round here, ladies.
Yeah.
And then again, you can wear it with either.
Either. Yeah.
Either.
Yeah.
And then we did a beautiful navy.
Oh, beautiful.
This is their, it's called navel.
Tessa, that is beautiful on this
I know. Either, right?
Oh.
Like great with the coconut and great with,
But this, I love brown with a blue.
I know.
It's
navy.
So classic.
It's so classic. So
goodbye.
You like it?
Wow.
Different colors, ladies?
I'm impressed. I love. And this is their signature too, right? They have these finishes. Like raw, not finished. Love it.
All pre-washed fabrics too, which is so important to remember. With Cut Loose, that's amazing. They pre-washed all their fabric before they cut and sew it.
Exactly.
And okay, and then
bring it on.
Okay, so one more to go. Look at this periwinkle.
Ooh. Oh, a nice oversized.
So oversized one size, which will again You can,
Oh.
I mean, the beige will be both, either.
Oh,
but
it's done. Where's the white?
Look at that.
Oh,
isn't that pretty?
Tessa, this is amazing.
I know.
And this is the one that you can start wearing already fairly soon.
Yeah.
Because of the weight, right?
Yeah, and it's linen cotton, ladies, so breathable, great for hot weather. It's got a really cute cutout here.
Really nice slit.
It's a free size, so it's fitting, you know, like a 2/4 to a 16/18.
Beautiful. I love this too from them. The dropped shoulder.
Yeah.
And then the little tight
just
cuff. Yeah.
And then, of course, we did the coconut.
Oh, you did it in the coconut. I love it.
So there's a whole little series here of mixing and matching.
Tessa. Oh, you
Great,
did a
eh?
great
So you can do it
job.
with the beige, or you can do the, how fabulous would that look?
Can you imagine that with a big necklace?
I know. They dye everything together, so they always have the same colors, right? So that's the same color.
Stunning.
Yeah, perfect. So that's our little drop here from Catharines.
Well, I can't wait to put my...
Watch out, ladies. So I say maybe one day do the beige and one day do the coconut.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, for sure.
And then you can give the ladies all sorts of different ideas.
Exactly.
I love that because we have so many beautiful accessories in the boutique.
Exactly.
That we can show.
This pant has beautiful details. Look, they even sewed a fake fly on there.
Yeah.
And yeah,
it's a really sweet pant. I thought it's a nice change.
Yeah.
We've been doing the knit band one for a long time. I like the little bit wider. It's not too wide.
Me too. And the shorter, right?
Yeah. It's a sweet pant.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay.
All right, ladies. Well, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful unboxing from Catharines. And please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the button there, the red button, subscribe, because it really helps us reach our content to more beautiful women like you.
And I can't wait till tomorrow, lovelies. It's you and I and styling Catharines. I'm excited. And as always, keep on smiling.